Because we also do not simply want to generate wealth. We want generational wealth. Importante po sa amin na ang ating wealth na pinagtatrabahuhan makarating sa ating kaapu-apuhan. We want your family and generations after them to benefit from all the sacrifices you've gone through in building your financial platform. Hello mga ka-RFF, ito po muli si Rex Mendoza ng Ramper Financials. I hope you are firmly on your track to the fulfillment of your financial dreams. Alam niyo po, kami sa Ramper Financials, gusto namin continuously maging parte ng buhay niyo and to be part of that execution and implementation of investment strategies that will lead you to the abundance and prosperity that you'd love to have, not just for yourself, but for your family and loved ones. Alam niyo po, chinek ko kung ano ba itong trending, pinaka-trending sa area ng personal finance in the Philippines and even in the world. Alam niyo po, ang sagot sa akin ni ChatGPT, it's really tech. Finance and investment technology is the area that will be trending for the next few months and years, especially po yung pagpasok ng AI, di ho ba? And it will definitely impact the way we invest, the way we choose partners, and the way we will be interacting and investing in markets. Alam niyo po, ang daming impact ng fintech na tinatawag. Ngayon po, pwede na tayong mag-invest sa GCash, sa Ramper Online, at marami pang ibang platforms na partner din naman ng Ramper. Nandyan po ang All Financials, nandyan ang U-Trade, MyTrade, at SBX. At napakarami pa pong pwede nating pagpilian. Now, in the tip of our fingertips, we can invest in funds, in stocks, and very easily, we can also make mistakes. Alam niyo po, pag minsan, yung tinatawag na convenience na yan din ang nagdadala sa atin sa tinatawag nating risks. Sometimes when it's so fast, it's so convenient, we can easily do stuff that can actually be wrong. Kasi nauuna natin ang bilis at nakakalimutan natin ang prudence, nakakalimutan natin minsan ang analysis. And this is the reason why Ramper Financials would like to be education-based in the way we interact with you. Kasi po, importante na hindi lang natin na-access ang financial markets, alam pa natin kung tama o mali ang ating ginagawa. And it's very important that we are well-advised and that we are really implementing strategies that will benefit us over the long term. Alam niyo po, speaking of fintech, diba, ang dami nga nating options. Alam niyo, nakakapanlumo because enable din ang ibang mga bagay na hindi ganun kaganda sa pamumuhay nating mga Pilipino. Napakadali po umutang ngayon at napakadali ding magsugal. So sana, imbes na dyan tayo malulong sa area na yan, gamitin natin ang fintech para tayo po ay makapag-ipon, makapag-invest at makarating sa talagang pinnacle ng ating mga pangarap pinansyal. Not just for ourselves, but also for our family. Alam niyo po ha, napakaganda kasi nitong ChatGPT eh. AI siya, di ba? Artificial Intelligence. Alam niyo po, tinanong ko si AI, tinanong ko si ChatGPT. Ito po tanong ko, how good is investing with Ramper Financials? May napakaganda po ng sagot. Ang sabi niya, Ramper Financials is a well-regarded financial advisory firm in the Philippines known for its investment services and wealth management solutions. They have built a solid reputation for offering personalized financial planning and wealth management to individual investors. Abay, nakakataba po ng puso. Napakaganda ng sinabi ni ChatGPT. Ito po hindi po kami ito. Talagang si ChatGPT na renowned na AI platform, ito po ang nasasabi tungkol sa amin. So, kahit pa paano, tinanong ko din, so ano ba ang advantages ni Ramper Financials? Ano ba ang strengths ng Ramper Financials? Para pong I'm interviewing a well-renowned person in the field of finance and I want him to tell me what we do and how good we do things. Alam niyo pong sabi niya, these are the strengths of Ramper Financials to be able to help you in your road to investing. Number 1, personalized financial advice. Abay, totoo naman po, talagang kami, pinipilit namin kahit ganong kaliit yung perang yan, kung maaari lang mag-advise kami at hindi lang computer ang kaharap mo. Ramper Financials is known for offering financial planning and wealth management advice. They cater, very important po ito, to both beginners and experienced investors by understanding our clients' risks, goals, risk profile, and financial situation. Can you imagine that? Na parang sinasabi po ito ni ChatGPT, parang nakakataba talaga ng puso dahil talagang ito ang gusto namin gawin. It says, they provide tailored investment strategies based on their deep understanding of their clients' needs, which can be helpful in navigating complex market conditions. That is very important to us. Alam niyo ba po, sinasabi namin yan sa aming mga meetings, okay pa hindi natin masyado maintindihan ang market. Pero kailangan intindihin natin ang kalagayan ng ating mga kliyente. Intindihin natin ang ating mga ka-RFF. Kasi at the end of the day, it's not how much money they will make. It is how they fulfill their financial goals. It is how they achieve financial security and prosperity. At ano pa nga ang sabi ni ChatGPT? Number 2, access to diversified investment products. Ramper offers investment options including mutual funds, investment trust funds, insurance, life and non-life, pre-need, and other financial instruments from well-known financial institutions that they partnered with. So anong ibig sabihin? Talagang respected na din talaga si Ramper Financials dahil dekalidad ang pinili naming mga partner. Sila yung pinakamalalaking pangalan sa larangan ng investments. At makikita nyo naman sila sa aming mga platforms at sa aming website. Ito, pinaka-importante po para sa akin, over and above the top 2, ito pong number 3, very special to my heart. Educational approach. Ramper places a strong emphasis on educating their clients. They offer educational resources, workshops, and seminars on personal finance, investing, and other wealth-building strategies, helping investors make informed decisions. Ayan, sana naman po nag-a-attend kayo niyang mga yan. Napakadami naming webinars, seminars, meron nga kami ngayon. Pinagbubutihan namin para meron kaming face-to-face presence. Kagagaling lang namin sa Cebu. Ginawa namin ito dito sa Makati. At pupunta rin po kami ng Davao, ng Cagayan de Oro. At sana pagpunta namin dyan at maimbita namin kayo, kayo po ay malugod na mag-a-attend at makikipagkita sa amin so that we can be in a better place to be able to educate you in the field of personal finance. Number 4 po, professional and certified advisors. Ayan, hindi ko na po yan masyadong ipagyayabang dahil para namang masyado na akong nagbuhat ng bangko niyan. Alam nyo naman po na ang ating Ramper Financial Advisors, hindi lang lisensyado, they are trained, they have attended many programs and seminars on their own, and they also have a wealth of experience, not just working for Ramper, but some of them working for other financial institutions. Ito po, number 5, napaka-importante din. Long-term management focus. Hindi po short-term. Hindi po kami nandito para kumita kayo ng malaki sa panandali ang panahon. No, we want you to achieve goals and dreams. Kaya po sa amin, ang importante, long-term strategies. We don't want you to have a quick buck. Hindi po maganda yung get rich quick. Gusto namin, kayo po ay mag-instill ng discipline, hindi lang sa inyo, kundi sa inyong mga mahal sa buhay, and also execute on strategies that are gonna be good over the long run. Because we also do not simply want to generate wealth. We want generational wealth. Importante po sa amin na ang ating wealth na pinagtatrabahuhan makarating sa ating kaapu-apuhan. We want your family and generations after them to benefit from all the sacrifices you've gone through in building your financial platform. Lastly, napakaganda po, customer-centric approach. Ramper is known for its customer-centric approach with a focus on building long-term relationships with clients. They often work to understand your financial goals and help you implement a strategy that matches up with those objectives. Really very, very heartwarming for an AI platform like ChatGPT to say all of these things about Ramper Financials. Alam niyo po, sa aking nabasa at na-share sa inyo ngayon, lalo po namin siguro kailangan pag-ibayuhin pa ang aming serbisyo sa inyo. Dapat galingan pa namin para naman we will live up to the so-called standards. We will live up to all of these strengths. At hindi naman po para kumbaga kay ChatGPT sabi-sabi lang. Kailangan patotohanan namin at panindigan namin. Again, ito po si Rex Mendoza ng Ramper Financials. Sana po magtiwala kayo sa Ramper Financials and let us handhold you to the fulfillment of your financial dreams and make sure your family and generations after will be resting on great foundations of massive generational wealth. Maraming salamat po and blessings always.